future of data science?
So the future of data science is very bright, and even today, if you talk about the statistics, out of the total data which the world is generating, only 0.5% of the data is getting analyzed. Now, what is the reason that why we are not able to analyze the huge data and only 0.5% is being analyzed? Because of the tremendous shortfall of the trained manpower. This lack skilled manpower to analyze this huge amount of data which we are generating. And that is why the future of data science is very bright. We need skilled manpower who can analyze this data which we are generating. And as we go forward, the amount of data is going to get generated will multiply tremendously. So we need huge pool of resources who can do this work, who can analyze this data and help organization in taking good decisions to benefit them. So I think in the future also we will have tremendous amount of growth in this.
And according to you, can someone who has no prior knowledge or experience in coding learn subjects or topics like SQL, Power BI?
Yes. So in order to learn these tools, right? For example, Power BI, Tableau, these are excellent tools, and all these tools are graphical user interface, GUI based. So you can use your mouse to drag and drop, and you can work with these tools. You don't need any coding information, coding language, any prior technical knowledge to learn these tools, because these are excellent tools, GUI based tools, and you can use mouse in order to navigate and to learn them, right? So the best way to switch or to learn these tools is just learn these applications, how to work with them. And these are GUI based, so easy to learn, right? So anybody can start learning these tools. So no coding experience required, no technical knowledge required to learn them.
Why is Python so essential for data science?
Okay, so Python is, I would say, that is very essential. The reason being that it is a programming language. So where the GUI based application software is unable to provide us solutions, customized solutions, right, then Python has to intervene. Because when we learn a programming language, we can do the solutions, we can analyze data much more freely, right? And when you learn Python, it opens more avenues for you. You can also learn not only data analytics, but if you know Python, you can also transition into roles like data scientist. You can also transition into roles like where you can develop artificial intelligence solutions. So these fields are open for you, right, once you have learned Python, right? So a lot of career avenues are open for you if you are expert in Python, because these are the languages, these are the foundation for the in-demand areas like data science and artificial intelligence. So I think that is why Python is mandatory for learning, for doing data analytics and for a data science profile, because it will create a lot of future growth for you, open lot of future avenues for you.